Hello guys! Welcome back to Gems Delights channel. So for today, itatry natin yung chai tea cookies ni Taylor Swift. Actually, nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok last month and of course, as a Swiftie and as a baker, syempre kailangan ko siyang itry. So naghanap agad ako ng recipe and I found this recipe from Taste of Home. So ito yung gagamitin natin. Ililink ko na lang siya sa description box down below. So medyo nahirapan lang ako maghanap ng organic chai tea dito sa Philippines. So yun kasi nakikita kong gamit nila sa TikTok. But nakita ko tong black tea warming chai spice from the brand Stash. So nabili ko siya for 275 pesos sa Trinoma Landmark, yung supermarket nila. So I'm not sure kung pwede siya but let's give it a try. Also, it is best daw to listen to Taylor Swift songs while making the cookies. So today we will be listening to the songs from the Folklore album. Okay, so let's start. So kailangan natin ng 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. Then using an electric mixer, ikikream lang natin yung butter until light and fluffy. Next is add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Then imimix nyo lang sila until well combined. Mix in 1/2 cup of white sugar. Add in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then mix nyo lang sila until well combined. Now time for the chai tea. So kailangan nyo lang ng 1 chai tea bag. So i-open nyo yon and then yung leaves, yun yung ilalagay nyo sa inyong batter. Then just mix it until combined. And of course, don't forget to scrape down the edges. So add na natin yung rest of our ingredients. So add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So at this point, gumagamit na ako ng rubber spatula pang mix. Pero you guys can continue using your electric mixer. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then just mix until well combined. Once mixed, cover it with cling wrap, then refrigerate it for 1 hour. So ipipreheat na natin yung oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit bago natin tagalin yung dough sa ref. After 1 hour, tanggalin nyo na yung dough sa ref, and now it's time to scoop our cookie doughs. For the cookies, I will be using this ice cream scooper. Ang gagawin nyo lang is scoop nyo yung dough, then roll nyo siya into balls using your hands. So this one is totally optional. Pwede naman pagka-scoop nyo ng cookie dough, diretso agad sa inyong baking tray. Then, i-flatten nyo lang yung cookies using your hands. So, sorry pala dito guys, hindi pala naka-focus sa cookies yung camera. Then, sprinkle a little bit of white sugar on top of each cookie. Then, i-bake na natin siya for 8 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly brown in color. So, for the first batch, i-bake ko muna siya for 9 minutes. While waiting, i-roll ka na yung the rest of the cookie doughs. So, habang ginagawa natin to, mag-quick story time muna tayo. So, alam nyo ba na yung recipe na ginamit ni Taylor Swift para sa kanyang chai tea cookies is originally a sugar cookie recipe? So, yung sugar cookie recipe na yon is from Joy the Baker. So, nang ginagawa na ni Taylor yung cookies, nag-decide siya na mag-add ng chai tea packet. Then, nag-add lang siya ng glaze. So, gagawin din natin yun mamaya. Tapos, after the glaze, nag-sprinkle lang siya ng cinnamon on top of the cookies. So, yun, nagka-chai tea cookies na. Then, pinost niya yung ginawa niyong cookies sa kanyang Instagram account way back 2014. Sobrang tagal na. Then, may isang fan na nag-ask ng recipe. So, ang ginawa ni Taylor is sinulat niya yung recipe, pinirmahan niya, then in-upload niya sa kanyang Tumblr account. Not sure kung Tumblr, but one of her social media accounts. Anyway, ito na pala yung ating cookie. So, it has a nice golden or light brown color and hindi siya nag-stick sa parchment paper. So, once baked, let it cool lang for about 5 to 10 minutes sa baking pan before transferring to a wire rack. Then, for the rest of the cookies, binake ko na lang siya for 8 minutes instead of 9 minutes. So, habang nagkukul yung cookies, gawin na natin yung glaze. So, kailangan natin ng 1 and 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. So, 1 cup muna yung ilalagay ko. Then, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of milk or eggnog. Then, i-mix nyo lang sila. And ito na yung glaze natin. So, for me, okay na yung texture niya. But, I decided to follow the recipe. So, inad ko pa yung 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Then, nung minimix ko na siya, I noticed na medyo thick na yung consistency niya. So, I decided to add a little bit of milk. Ayan, okay na yung consistency niya. So, okay na pala yung 1 cup of powdered sugar lang. And now, it's time to glaze our cookies. So, using a spoon, mag-add lang kayo ng glaze on top of the cookies, then spread nyo lang siya. Then, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes para mag-set yung glaze. Then, just do that for the rest of the cookies. And now, time to add the cinnamon. So, mag-sprinkle lang kayo ng cinnamon on top of each cookie. And ito na yung final product natin. Again, ito yung chai tea cookies ni Taylor Swift. Actually guys, masarap siya. Sobrang nagustuhan siya ng family ko. It's just that yung glaze, masyado siyang matamis. So I think okay na yung 1 cup of powdered sugar lang. And sobrang perfect niya sa coffee. As in, tinikman ko siya na paggawa agad ako ng kape. And that is it. I highly suggest this recipe to you guys, especially to my fellow Swifties out there. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you on our next baking video.